Hello my people, how una dey? I greet the house. Also una dey fine. Una do well. As una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una do well. I really appreciate una well well. My people, I see this video for net o. This video I go put the full video more na watch am. As I dey lis ten to the video, now I come dey lis ten to wetin dey happen. This happen for Italy. For I think na where be that Aquila be something like that area where cold dey well well. Le Happy, we dey call am Le Happy. So na that side where cold dey well well. So they lis ten to this boy dey shout say Ogbalegbe come their house. They carry a friend comot. They no do anything. Say na so dem take dey do there for this side. E just dey shout. Say see dem dey beat dem, dem dey treat dem bad o. Let me come dey watch the video well well. If I put am now, still watch am. Now say no be one Ogbalegbe dey there, no be two, there many. Even car wey dem bring come, we on abroad we dey. Let's say na JJC. Na e go just dey see say Ogbalegbe many car. If when many car come like that, meaning na judge na e give dem go ahead, go more na go bring person come. Dem no just come your house, just knock for inside door. And the boy dey shout say friend no do anything. My brother, talk for your own. You no know wetin your friend do. You no know whether e dey mingle with those people wey e no suppose to mingle with. Because as they come the house, because me come dey watch am, and they come that boy house, they no carry him wey dey do the video, they no carry am comot o. Na him friend na dey carry comot. Meaning na him friend na dem dey find dey go, no be the rest people wey dey inside the house. Ogbalegbe no burst enter your house say dem wan carry you without say no be judge say make dem go bring you come. Now understand? So many of our people, the way they take dey do something, I no understand. Because if una dey watch the video now, see am say many cars dey there wey the Ogbalegbe people wey dey bring come say this one no be one thing say just go control person. No, this one no be control. Na we dey call am mandato. Na judge na him say make dem go bring somebody come like that. Because I think they talk and say they not do anything, friend not do anything. You know fit talk say your friend not do anything, and they come inside una house. Now only your friend they come pick, they not pick the rest of una. Meaning wetin your friend do, you no know. You fit talk your own. Now because you don't know whether picking where you back for your back, whether you use and take collect something. Now only the one where you carry for inside belly. Now you even dey talk say enough fit do it, enough be do this thing. In the shout for the Ogbalegbe say see wetin dem dey do. Italy is the best country. Take it or leave it. If you know they do anything where they shook your hand pull, they not go come meet you for inside. They not go come bust your house. Now normal thing. And then boss now only that boy now they pick for them. Meaning they do something where not supposed to do. Meaning they do what not supposed to they do. Now make Ogbalegbe come. Then many way wear cloth come there. Una know say our people, we all know say work not there. Some of our people, if you go piazza, you'll see what then they do for them. You go open you go they shout say they go they sell market. See me, I see you. Not be saying a lie. They go they sell market for them. Now no say Ogbalegbe the video. No anywhere where you dey waka they go. Not just talk say you are free. Camera they there. They go they watch. They go they follow you before they. Sometimes then they follow person reach a year, 2 years before they come knock for your door. You know the time when you dey do and go they sweet you say as I just free. They don't even know what they do. That time you they eat am, your belly don't they sweet you. The time when they come knock for your door say we know everything what they do since. You go surprise. Now it happen to this one so. Because I see no at the reach there, the people where they there, they not carry them follow body. But now only one person they go pick for it. I say now you will define. They even they followed Ogbalegbe they drag. When Ogbalegbe come on your house, say you are wanted, say they want you for Questoria, you follow them. Because all these things, this video where this boy still do, and they follow Ogbalegbe fight, they write am down because just they add them say, if they ask them say, as una reach there, wetin happen? Go say na so they come they follow us fight. Una go see take one chance. When Ogbalegbe come, they say they want arrest you, they want carry you go anywhere. Follow them, they know they eat person for when they carry person go. When you reach there, if you don't even get lawyer, they will give you lawyer. They go give you, because without your lawyer, if your lawyer not there, you no fit talk, you no talk, you close your mouth till your lawyer go come, because they not even get the right to ask you, may you talk wetin you not supposed talk. Because if you talk, it's against the law, because you anybody where they carry say they hold you, lawyer must dey there wey go defend you in front of your lawyer. Now you go dey talk, unless you say you no need any lawyer, you go use they go say make you still write and make you sign and say now you say you want talk by yourself. They say they won't give you lawyer, say you don't need them. They will say me you write down, then you sign put. Because our people they do many things wey not good. They video them. They know say all this piazza, the camera they the way they video. They go they watch, but they say then they do shorting. They go they do another thing. Like this one where do this video now. If he talk of you, say he not do anything, said in day free, nothing, he not do anything. But he friends where they call carry meaning he do something. He do something where you no know, because before now they carry say Italian people more than they find background wetin they go on. Car like this where Ogbalegbe carry come, they not just carry because they say they want come do control for your house. They know they do one, and they not even get right to enter inside your house without they not get paper say na judge na brigand come. I believe said as they knock on a door, they'll tell them say see the mandato, na mandato that they call and see and na judge na say me we come before they will enter. And once they tell you say see paper where they give us, may we take enter, you don't get right to they fight them or to they do anyhow. Just suffer. May you not complicate your case. You just suffer, follow them. Because they must ask them, say the time when I go arrest them, what happen for them? Because like all this one, they go to say, una come they follow them, they fight. Una come they follow them, they drag. They go right and down. Go sit there on a neck for them. Now cause for Ogbalegbe stop you, give her everything. May I put the video more and see my people. Una do we beg wanna see help me share.
Ancora devi rompere amico e rompi mio amico. Did you see what police boys do in my house? Did you see what police boys do in my house? Did you see what police boys do in my house? Oh, non tocca mia moglie, se tu tocca mia moglie fa casino con me. Io mi faccio what police do in my house. It's my solution. The solution is the best. Everybody to see what police do in my house. Everybody to see what police do in my house. Guarda, con la polizia. Guarda, che è successo?
Vieni questo una qui. Stai a fare resistenza, stai facendo un po'.
Guarda poi.
Stiamo andando un po'.
Did you see what police do for me?
Smettila di ripetere.
No, io non spingi là. Vattene. Ogni aborigio io.
You don't do now.
Please.
Everybody to see what police is doing in my house. Aborigio you the man. That. Everybody to see what police is doing in my house. So this is what police do in my house. This is what police is doing in my house. So you see it. If people see it, oh, you see what you see, oh, what police is doing in my house. I don't know. We are not drug guard. We are not anything. Oh. They came to my house. I videoed I did life. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh. They started beating my friend. You people should see, oh, Quanti Martina. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh. They arrested my friend. You people should see. You people should see, oh. You people should share this video. They want to kill they want to kill us in L'Aquila. We don't know what to do today. The people they are arresting, they say that they are Italian floods. Those people they don't know anything. Oh. Those people don't know anything. Italian police is lying. L'Aquila police is lying. They want to kill us. We don't know what to do to them. Oh. They are you to tutti. Oh. Monacosi, oh. Italian police. What did they do us? We don't know. Oh. Monaci, oh. Monaci. This is what they are doing now, so we don't know what to do to Italian police, so they want to kill us, so yes, they want to kill us, so they say we are computer fraud. We don't know anything about computer, oh. We don't know anything about fraud, oh. We are just the ones suffering ourselves, manage, oh. They want to kill us. You people should come, oh. You people should come and see. You people should see, oh. They came to my house this morning. They beat my brother up. They beat me up. They started fighting us. They are telling us to come to Questora. We don't know what to do to Italian police people. You people should help, oh. Italian, oh. Italian. If una not in Nero again, more than talk. Italia no vuoi Nero, devi spiegare. Io non sono bugiato, io non so cosa devi fare, io non sono droga, io non so cosa vuoi. Guarda tutti, guarda. But they see there, police people, this early money to my house.
They don't carry and go, you don't do.
This early money, oh, they carry my friend. They beat him up, they fight him. We don't know what they want, oh. We don't know what Italian police people want. I don't know. We don't know what the Italian police want, oh. Io non lo so cosa ha bisogno la Italia polizia di Italia. Sempre rompere a casa mia. Io non sono giocato. Io non conosco gente. You people should see. I know that our video. I got everything for video. You people can see there. They don't beat my guy finish. They don't lie for grand. They put a cup for hand. They carry a command. We don't know what Italian police they find for our house. We don't know what they find for our house. They will carry camera go they lie. They will carry camera go people house go they lie. They don't say the people are fraud. When people say the people don't even know anything. The people don't know why. They don't know too. So Italian police they will carry camera go they will go they lie. Though they lie the people that drug addict. Though they lie the people that computer fraud. People don't even know where to leave them for phone. Talk less of laptop. Person will not even get laptop for us. No, God, they'll begin a lie. I mean, they talk solution. Mona see. Italian police, oh. We don't know what we do there. Yes, oh. We don't know what we do Italian police. Yes, oh. This is what they do every time. Last time they lie against some people in L'Aquila. They say the people are computer fraud. They are not computer fraud, though. The people don't know anything. The people Italian police arrest me. They don't know anything. They get to my house this morning to come and beat my friend. They beat him. They beat me. They carry a command. Mona see. Yes, so Italian police. We don't know what we do there. We don't know what we do Italian police. We don't know what we do Italian police. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Now me they talk solution. I they talk this morning. Everything with Italian police they say about L'Aquila is a lie. People working L'Aquila. Now so sure that they do. They don't get work. Few way get work. They don't like the work. That's why they do sort for money tonight. Monday to Saturday. Oh, next month tonight they make they go show on Sunday. They put up a motor, they say like a computer flood. They don't see anything for inside a room. They don't see anything for inside a room, oh. They come, and they arrest us. They say Ben a computer fraud. Ben, when they will delete your laptop. Person will not know where delete there for laptop. You don't know delete for laptop. That boy don't know delete for laptop. Now me they talk this morning. Italian police came to my house. They disturb us. They do us here because they will be black. All the lie where they don't lie for L'Aquila. Where go news carry. Now lie. They don't do anything.
He wants to see how many of them. They can't go and call the same thing. There are many come. You go prison, and you want to pistol from us. Maybe because you want to shoot me.
They want to shoot my brother this morning. They want to kill us. They can't go our house. They threaten us. Who here now go to say L'Aquila na work bad city? See the L'Aquila not even day. Now poor city, the poorest city in the whole Italy. See, na so rock, so bush. Everywhere na use 0 over 100. Yeah. They will come. They will come and disturb people when they're L'Aquila. It doesn't say they wear fine clothes. It doesn't say if they say you don't feel the gadge, you don't feel the fine. They go owe you. They'll say it's computer fraud or it's a drug. That is what the L'Aquila police is doing. L'Aquila police is fraud. L'Aquila police is corrupt.
That's it. Only God knows whether they call the follow and they drag for them.